Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert dotted border to image in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open an Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to insert dotted border to an image. Go to the blank page. Then we go to the tools section and we can see here many tools. We find and select the place tool. Then choose picture from our file. Now I select a picture. Then click open. Then place the picture from our page. Then select this picture and we can see here the stroke color. Now I select this color and choose any color. Now I select the red color. You can choose any color. Now I select the wide option and increase the wide. Now we want to make this border dotted or dashes. Select this dash line border. Now we click outside of the image and we can see we make dot or dash line border very easily. You can change the color of this border. Select this stroke color option and choose another color. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.